Hello everyone. Today let's know, does an arbitration clause override consumer rights? The Honorable Supreme Court of India said no. In TKA Padmanabhan versus Abhiyan Cooperative Group Housing Society Limited, the Honorable Supreme Court of India held that the existence of an arbitration clause does not override a consumer statutory right to approach consumer forum under the Consumer Protection Act. In this case, a home buyer purchased a residential flat by paying the full consideration amount. As possession was delayed, the home buyer filed a consumer complaint seeking compensation. The housing society relied on the arbitration clause in the agreement and requested that the dispute be referred to arbitration instead of being decided by the District Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission. The District Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission initially rejected this request. However, the Honorable Delhi High Court remanded the matter for reconsideration, following which the District Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission referred the dispute to arbitration. This decision was subsequently upheld by the State Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission and the National Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission. The Honorable Supreme Court of India ruled in favor of the home buyer. The Honorable Supreme Court of India held that an arbitration clause cannot take away a consumer right to approach the consumer forum. Once a consumer complaint is admitted, it cannot be referred to arbitration. The Honorable Supreme Court of India set aside the order referring the dispute to arbitration and held that the District Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission had the jurisdiction to decide the case despite the arbitration clause in the agreement. The Honorable Supreme Court of India restored the consumer complaint and directed the District Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission to decide the case on its merits. If you found this video informative, do share this with others. Thank you.